everyone, this is how I make the scallion for the winter, because the winter time is like sometimes you need to use a little bit of the scallion. It's really hard to find, to go to market, cold and blah blah blah. So you get an onion, any type, okay, and you don't cut, you don't do anything, you just got it from the supermarket. It's like this, don't do anything. And then you gotta get the cup, okay, and then you're going to fill this up with water like that, and then you let this scallion onion sit on it, okay. Do not need to touch it or anything, because the moisture of the water every day it's gonna help this to grow, okay. Don't do anything up on here, just leave it there, and within about four days or so it's going to grow the leaf, and I'll come back to show you. Now you can see that it did not touch anything on the bottom right there, okay. So sometime if you keep it longer, the root gonna grow down to that bottom of the cup, and that's okay, that's what it needs. And you're gonna fill up the water. 4 days after I come back, and look at this, it grow about 3 inches now, okay. And look at the water, it drank the water. So now you're gonna fill up the water. It's the same way that you take this up, you pick this off, okay, because the roots is start growing a little bit there. You're gonna add water back. Get warm water, you don't need to be cold, okay. No need to be cold. Okay, now this time you're gonna let it sit touching on top of that, okay. I didn't let it go down to the water, just like that, okay. And so later on, and when this grow long, about 6 or 8 inches, then you can cut this off and you use it. In the winter time, I mean the summertime, you do the same thing, but you go into bury under the soil, okay, and it grow like that. I do that all the time in the winter time, so I don't need to go out and buy scallion. Okay everyone, so so funny, I have the video out the other day, and then one of my member asked how you do that, so please share. It is funny that I have the video already, but I have to wait until this grow so I can share. Look at that. And it's, you know, it's still growing. It grow very tall. This is 4 days after the last time, so it's grow about 10 inches tall. So you can cut this and then you can use it, whatever. When it's tall like this, you have to get another onion and continue to grow like this. This gonna keep growing after you cut it, growing more and more until you don't have anything left. And the bottom, look at the group, it's growing. See that? If there's still water, it's okay, it needs to touch the water. So if there's enough water, let it be until you don't see any water, then you can add more water. All right, I hope this helped, and I hope you do that, especially whoever live in the cold winter month. You can do this and have that around your house, and every time you always have scallion. I left it at my kitchen window, and it grow like that all winter long, so you never go out of the scallion. Stay safe. Thank you so much for support my channel membership, and have a good day. Stay safe everyone. Love you.